Let me sing it again. I don't want nobody, nobody, nobody. I don't want nobody. Yeah.
They changed the vowel shape again. What's going on, my friends? What's going on, Geritones? I hope y'all are well out there. I posted some videos this week and I saw several people in the comments the last few days asking for this particular reaction and analysis. So I was like, you know, let me check this out, and I enjoyed this. So I figured why not do a video on it, because I asked for it anyway and we here. So let's do it, y'all. Let's watch it together.
Late night drinking, let that sink in for you.
They're using a lot of N consonants. Late night drinking, dun, 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 for you. They have a lot of N consonant sounds they're using in their delivery here.
Oh boy, I'm thinking about you. Boy, I'm thinking about, boy, I'm thinking about crazy weekend. I've been feeling for you.
Fiending, thinking, those N consonants are really in play here. Those keep sticking out to me for some reason, and I think they're using the N consonants to kind of color the entire phrasing of the vocal lines here. That forward N quality, thinking, crazy, nah, nah. I don't know what crazy means, but I was trying to get the point across about that forward nasal sound. Thinking like young, like then. You see what I'm saying? They're using that N forwardness, or that nasal twangy N sound, to really kind of shape some parts of this vocal line here.
I'm talking about you.
Ch, ch. It's not you or chew. Talking about you. So it's a CH with like a soft U. Talking about you. Yeah. And it's like a really pure, non-adulterated, no diphthongy U. Ch, talking about you. Like how the vocal lines complement each other in the harmonies. I love that. And you notice when it got to this part, when the strings came in, it got a little more legato, a little more smooth, a little more connected. Forward, I'm thinking about you, I'm thinking, but then here's, and I'm nervous, and I'm nervous. You see what I'm saying? So there's a difference in the texture of the music itself, you know, depending on where they are in the song.
I don't want nobody, nobody like I want you.
Now there, instead of chu, is cho, one cho. So there was a diphthong in that U there. The word in context is you, Y-O-U, but it's don't want you. It's that phonetic difference. But the first time they said you, it was chu, chu, chu. This time it was cho. So there was more of an openness in the vowel shape and the diphthong in there. Okay, you see what I'm saying? There's a difference between the two U's, if you will. Though phonetically it's chu, if that makes sense. You know what I'm eating? That nasal forward sound that I talked about at the very beginning. I'm telling you, those N sounds really kind of shape the sound of their voice. You see what I'm saying?
Tell me what's next. Are you coming over?
Next. They're really playing with vowels and modifying the vowels to give the finesse within the harmonies. They could have just said next, but it did next, something like that. They moved the vowel around to kind of fit the rhythm and the finesse of the harmony therein.
Are you coming over?
Something like that. That was nice. Over was kind of where she went phonetically. Now over, over, over.
Could be some things to get ahead.
Ahead. Some more vowel modification. Instead of ahead, no. Ahead. You see how I changed the vowel? Ahead. Say That was nice. She kind of flipped up into like a breathy, heady moment real quick at the top there. Said, I'm doing it totally wrong, but you see what I'm saying? How I kind of flipped up and modified the vowels that flipped up. Say, you see? Say, something like that. But you see the point that I'm making.
I don't wanna spell it out, spell it out. You know what the fuck I'm talking about.
That run was nice right there. That run was nice. She did another moment of that flipping between like the heady voice and the chesty voice. Something like that. I totally missed it, but you know. You see what I did when I kind of flipped down? That Yoda flip coming down? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That flipping that she does. Nervous, not nervous. They took the R out, or kind of less than the R. Nervous, I'm so nervous. You see what I'm saying? So that nervous, nervous. Y'all better move around with these harmonies, okay? That was nice.
I don't want nobody. I don't want nobody. I don't want nobody. I don't want nobody. Nobody like I want.
So here, I don't want nobody. The vowels got more wider and brighter. The sound got more twingier. I don't want nobody. Dun, 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 dun. I don't want nobody. You see what I'm saying? It's wider. It's more bitier, if you will. And they kind of dug in and it moves. I don't want nobody. Dun, 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 dun. No, I don't want nobody. Whatever the harmonies are, but you see what I'm saying? They kind of dug in with their body and got more body in the sound. Here, and more body in terms of more like twangy in the sound.
Nobody, let me sing it again. I don't want nobody. Nobody, nobody. I don't want nobody. Yeah.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Whatever that little lick was right there. Yeah, 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 yeah. They changed the vowel shape again. They do a lot of that. And I love the intentionality of the harmonies that they do. How they move around as three people as a trio, you know, and still kind of complement each other when they're doing the leads and kind of doing some great background things with them. I love how they just kind of move and intertwine and all that kind of stuff. I really enjoy that.
Nobody, nobody like I want you. No, I don't. I don't do this.
Do this. Had a little vocal fry right there. Do this. Yeah. Something like that. Yeah. And you see they're now back down lower in intensity. I'm nervous. A little more breathier. A little more lighter. The vowels aren't as wide. They're a little bit more... They're kind of more relaxed now. So they really give a lot of different textures in this vocal delivery, especially in this live version of the song.
With just anyone but you're betting my rules.
I love that polyphony moment. How they kind of peeled in. They all kind of did their own motifs there, their own vocal move, but it really worked within the harmony and the peeling of the cohesion of the group.
'Cause I'm nervous, oh so nervous. I don't want nobody, nobody like I want you. Nobody, no, nobody, no, nobody, no, nobody, nobody.
Okay, fam, that was a little church band right there. Nobody, nobody, whatever the bottom was doing. No, 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 no. But she kept that motif. Want nobody, nobody. She kept that bottom motif there while the other two kind of went off and did their own thing. It was almost like a special, like a church vamp special / polyphony / fugue or round type situation going on, if you will.
Nobody, nobody like I want you. You're bending my rules.
This band is nice too. This arrangement is nice. I just love the musicality of it and the intentionality of all the instrumentation, the voicing, the voices, the harmonies, all of that. It's just so nicely put together. I hope you enjoyed this analysis as much as I enjoyed watching it, and as I will always continue to say to you, be vocally bold, creative and aware, but most of all, be vocally you. I love you so much. I'll see you soon.